Wire diameter selection. Wire diameter for use is usually considered based on followings. Workpiece thickness. Generally speaking, thicker workpiece requires higher current for machining, so wire diameters are supposed to be increased with workpiece thickness to undergo addition current volume. Below is recommendation for choosing wire brass diameter based on different workpiece thickness. Note: mass workpiece thickness allowed could be different among each machine model. Please assure Z-axis stroke before performing a job. Corner size. Actually, cutting wire is circular object, so it will leave a round angle after passing a corner. While value is associated with wire diameter, the round angle can be roughly estimated as wire diameter divided by 2, plus sparking gap. It has to be smaller than every R angle in NC program to avoid overcut. Round angle created by wire's radius and a sparking gap.